Here's a quick comparison for the Spectra S1 pump and the beautiful Spectra Synergy Gold. Ooh, she's so cute. But let's hop into it. What really is the difference? So first of all, you'll notice when I turn this thing on, notice that it's got battery indication because it doesn't need a cord. So it does not have to be plugged in. So I would give that 1 point already in a difference, the fact that it is completely rechargeable. So you'll notice that when you turn the Spectra S1 on that you can increase and change and actually see numbers whenever you're changing your cycle and your vacuum. So we can go all the way up to 12 on the vacuum. And y'all, just because it should, don't mean that just because it can, don't mean you should, okay? So then we're gonna hop over here into the Spectra Gold. And as you can see, this one's key benefit is that you can turn on each side separately. So you can independently operate each breast and control the suction, the setting, and the cycle. So both have vacuum mode. So if you notice on the Spectra Gold, whenever I'm in cycle mode, I can completely customize it. But with the S1, I'm stuck at 70 and I don't have any option to go up or down on my cycle setting. So when it comes to vacuum in this mode, you can increase it. You can increase each breast. So if you have a breast that has soreness, that's one of the key benefits to having the Spectra Gold. Because if one breast is tender, you can go down to a level 1 while increasing the other opposite breast to possibly a 5. Now, when you're in expression mode, you'll notice that you don't get any numbers on the Spectra Gold. But on the S1, the 38 is comparable to 1. The second bar is comparable to 42. The third light indicator is comparable to 46. Fourth one, 50. And lastly, 54 on the last bar. So just to give some information. Now on this one, it goes all the way to 15. And just because you can doesn't mean you should. But on the S1, you go up to 12. So that's really helpful for moms that have maybe a breast reduction or decreased nipple sensation.